You could see it on my view, so. I got my handgun. Yeah, boy.
Alright. Let's get it.
Come on. There we go. Alright, where are you? Oh, hold
bang,
on.
bang.
Hold on, my TV volume is not high enough. Let me turn it up. There we go.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Ah, G-foot. Oh. Oh, you think dual wield's gonna help you, eh? Okay.
Yeet.
Oh. That's my trigger finger. Yeet. Dang it! Your first kill.
Damn it.
Yeah. Yo, merlot, you really gotta upload the other one video.
Yeet.
Dang it.
Three.
What?
One of them. Good second.
Really?
Well, I forgot I didn't have her silence on. Well.
I always have it on, just so I don't die.
Oh, I don't have your pistol. Eat. Come at me.
Dang it! Ah, okay.
My pistol's better.
Dang it. Okay, I got a new pistol.
Perfect.
Dang it, what are you doing?
Magic. Ooh, you scared.
Leave me alone. Oh, shoot.
Yeet, you will die.
Dang it! Ah.
Bang. Ow.
They're better.
God.
I don't have a better pistol. Great. It's probably, I don't know. Favorite. I got my favorite pistol right here. It's so awesome. I love this pistol.
Can I cheat?
No.
Come on. Come on.
Dang it!
I had to reload. Ooh, last kill. What should we do for last kill? No scope.
How about a 360?
No
How about a 360? Or a no scope? Or you could just do that.
That was a no scope.
Yo, what do you say if we do a no scope 1v1 with snipers only, eh?
That would seem pretty spicy. Yeet.
All right, so let's do that. Let's go.
Because that would take forever.
Yeah, it would.
Only no scoping.
Yeah, only no scoping.
I don't even know where you are. Going up there. Yeet. Yeet. First blood.
Really?
Easy kill. Easy kill.
Oh wow. I'm gonna try out this one. See how well this one is with no scopes. See how well this one is.
Bam. 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 Let's put a audio soundtrack over that. That's the G. Come on. Put that. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
One of us is eventually gonna die.
Eventually.
Oh, dang it.
There we go. You're gonna die.
Yeah. Yeah, I definitely did die.
2 points ahead. Watch this amazing no scope. Boom. Oh, that would have been cool. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Ah!
Come here, boy. Don't turn on me. No scope. Oh no. Don't try to throw a throwing knife at me.
Dang it, I have to reload both my guns.
Come on. One of these will hit. Eventually.
Yeah.
Momentarily. Come on.
Dang it!
10 tries later.
Wait, hold on. I want to try something. Come at me. Come at me, bro.
Alright. You won't. You won't. Watch this. Alright. You know what? I'm about to destroy you. Watch this. Cuts to a scene of me dying.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that. I'm gonna cut to a scene of me dying as soon as I finish saying that. This is gonna put in an extended oof. Boom. 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 Alright. What you thought? What you thought? Ooh.
Yeah, boy.
Dang. You hit that?
Yeah, I did. Where'd that
I
scavenger
believe you.
go? Where'd that... Do I not have scavenger on this class? Hold on.
I have scavenger on mine.
Bonus at 11 goes. Dang it!
Come here, boy. Ooh, if I hit that.
That would be cool. Got one more bullet. Actually, I'm just gonna pick up this real quick.
Pick up that. I'm gonna shoot you with it. Watch this. Oh, that would be cool. Really? Yeet. Ooh, yeah, you're lucky I had to reload. Oh, no. Instant death.
Yeah.
Watch this. Aw.
Come on.
Oh, jump.
Ah! Dang it!
Got him.
I'm so bad at no-scoping. Oh wait, how, actually, now something think about how can you be good at no-scoping? Come on, my dude, come at me.
Well, I'm looking at the ground and running into a rock. Boom. Oh, we've been doing this before. I got the kill last time. You made the high ground, but I have the Gucci.
Dragon Ball.
Dang.
Stuck. There we go. Only goes like 15, but it's probably gonna be like the longest game ever.
It's been 6 minutes.
Yeah, it's been 6 minutes for me too. Dang it. Alright, come on. Why are you texting again? Huh? Why are you texting?
Not texting. Not texting. Not texting. You're texting.
I'm not texting.
Watch this. Don't try to do that.
Dang it.
Don't try that. Don't try that.
I mean, I guess I deserve that.
Yep.
Let me just, yeah, wait. I think this weapon right here is pretty good for no scopes, maybe.
Yeah.
Let me, go down here.
Alright. Let's get her done. Let's get her done.
First bullet, yeah!
That's unfortunate.
Yes, it is.
Very unfortunate. Still winning, though.
So, you're only winning by 1, right? Oh, I almost got stuck.
Still winning.
My name is Jeff.
That's a tie now. Just imagine if I actually hit that. That would be so cool. If I actually hit that, but no. Because this game doesn't know how to hit a no scope.
Come on. I'm pushing.
Why are you getting closer? It's always so scary when you're no scoping and then when you have to reload and the other guy is still shooting at you. It's so scary. Where are you at? Come on. Face me!
Alright. I faced you.
Not like that though. Let me see this. Oh! You just jump out of nowhere, just pew! No scope. Alright. Let's see here.
Come on. Come on.
My sensitivity is so low.
I'm using 12.
I'm using 8. I think.
What are these B-hops? Oh, you threw a throwing knife.
Yes, I did. Come on.
Alright, watch this. Pick up this gun. Watch this. Oh. I'm gonna kill you with your own gun.
Dang it! Come on.
Ooh, watch this.
Yeah, boy. Dang it!
I know.
This gun is so slow with the cocking, like I'm just go.
What? The 115? Yeah, that's a slow reload time.
Yeah, but it's good for no scopes, I think.
Yeah, I'll try it for a no scope here.
Alright.
Bang! Off, I hit that. Oh, right there.
Nope.
Try that throwing at me again.
No phone call, please. Dang it.
Got him.
Yeah. Oh, wow. This is 11 minutes in so far.
Yeah, I got 11 minutes, 17 seconds.
I'm 20 seconds. Should we do like a 360 for last? Dang it!
Sure.
Alright.
Or a far no scope.
So just like we jump off an edge and we no scope that. Okay.
Yeah, or that.
How about this? Just something cool with a no scope for last.
Ah.
Whoa, how did I hit that? My remote was going crazy and I hit you. It's cool.
Yeet, yeet, yeet. Ooh.
Come on.
Get no scoped. Oh. Again. Really?
I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me just throw it outside the map. There we go. I don't have it anymore. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna use it anymore. I'm not gonna use it.
You got 2 kills from throwing knives, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on.
Dang it.
Headshot.
I'm losing.
By 2 points. Watch this. 1 in the chamber. No scope.
Ah, good for you. Imagine.
Oh! Hey, what happened?
You could see it on my view, so.
Nope.
I did it again! I'll be so, like, done. I'll be like, oh my gosh. Just gonna yeet! Yeet! Your scopes are so not accurate.
Not at all.
Yeah. I wish they would make them accurate.
Ooh. Come on.
No! Let me reload.
Alright, reload. I'll reload too.
Alright. Dang it, I have one bullet left on one gun.
I got many bullets left. Oh, no.
I need ammo.
I put it in ammo.
Yeah. Oh wait, I'm at 14 as well? Oh, I didn't realize that. Oh wait, now I'm. Wait. Wait, stop. I have a thing that we could do. Okay, you want to try doing the thing where you're all the way up out of the tower and I'm over here, or would you like to be over here and I'm at the tower, or what?
Let's just do this.
You what?
Come on.
Okay. But this one you always get. That's the problem.
Not almost. You're getting hella close.
Dang it! Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. I kinda zoomed in on that, but not all the way.
Really?
Like that.
Okay.
Yeet.
Ah.
GG.
GG.